Hello friends, how are you? Today, on behalf of Chutki channel, we are bringing you the sample papers for International Maths Olympiad and National Science Olympiad. Okay, so not taking much of your time, myself, Gautam Gupta, a trainer and a mentor for GATE, Engineering Services, and JEE, IIT, and other exams. So, we are bringing you some of the sample questions. Now, in this particular sample question, I have taken the paper for class 4, which was asked in the year 2016 and 17. This paper is of level 2 Olympiad, and we have divided the total part in three numbers. So in part 1, part 2, part 3, all of these parts are in a sequence. And so you have to keep in mind that for getting into the Olympiad, you should follow the papers, the solution, the techniques. Okay? So let us begin our solution. Now, in the first question, if you see, it is given that a star into star, it stands for 4 multiple of 16. Okay, fine. And an O plus O, it stands for the third multiple of 12. Find the value of star plus O. So here we have been given two conditions. So if we see here, we have been given that a star into star was equal to fourth multiple of 16, which is coming out to be 4 into 16 is 64. So what is 64? 64 can also be written as 8 into 8. So that means what will be the value of star? The value of the star will become 8. Similarly, O plus O, which was the third multiple of 12. Third multiple of 12 is 36. And so this 36 is equal to 2 times of O, because O plus O is equal to 2O. So what will be the value of 1O? It will be 36 by 2, that is equal to 18. Okay. So what was the value which we had to find? The value which we had to find was a star plus an O. So this star plus an O, that is star means 8 and O means 18. So 8 plus 18 means 26. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 26. Okay. I hope this question was clear to all of you. Okay. Fine. So let us go to next question. In question number 2, it says that Sachi stacked 7 blocks of wood. Okay, so here we can see that there are many blocks of wood which have been stacked. Okay, I have represented it by the yellow highlighter. Now, what is the height of the block of the wood which is at the bottom? So we have to find the height of this block, this particular block, this height we have to find. So if you see this particular diagram, what is given? From top up to this bottom, the total height is given as 36. So from this 36, what we need to do is, we know this small height 4, small height 6, 2, 4, 6, 2. So all these things need to be subtracted from 36 to get the height of the lowest block. Okay. So what we will do? We will do 36 minus, what are we subtracting? 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2. So if we subtract this from 36, our answer will come out to be 12. Yeah. So this is our correct option. Option number A. Coming on to the next question. Okay. Question number 3. In question number 3, it says that arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. And we know what is ascending means. Ascending means from the smallest, we have to go to the highest. So, there are many leaves P, Q, R, S, T which have been given. So, if we arrange them, okay, so how will be the arrangement? The first value will come out to be 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 8. After that, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 8. After that, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 4. Then 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 8 and 2, 5, 3, 8, 6, 4. So, if we see the sequence, what will be the sequence then? 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 8 was R. Then the second one was P. So, in that respect, it was R, P, S, Q, T. So, this is our correct answer. Okay. So, you have to keep in mind what is ascending, what is descending. Because it is a very basic thing that you might have studied in your course or curriculum also. Okay. So, just see. Now, coming on to the next question, question number 4. It says, Garima, okay, can make a paper plane in 3 minutes. Okay, so one paper plane can be made in 3 minutes. Now, what is given? She started making paper planes at 2:30 p.m. So, this is the start time. And took a break of 35 minutes. So, this is the break time at 4 p.m. So, at 4 p.m. she has taken the break. And at what time did she finish making the 100 paper planes? So, in total, how many paper planes she had made? 100. So, if we see the answer, one paper plane can be made in 3 minutes and total planes are 100 and the break time is 35 minutes. That means from the starting time, what was the starting time? The starting time was 2:30 p.m. So, from this particular time, we have to add all these different timings. So, from 2 hours 30 minutes, we will add total time for making the paper as well as the break time. So, if we add all these things, what will be our answer? It will come out to be 8 hours 5 minutes. And since the starting time was PM, so we have 8 hours 5 minutes PM as the answer. Okay. Now, question number 5. In question 5, it says that the fraction of lines which are sleeping. Okay. So, we know what are the sleeping lines. Sleeping lines means the horizontal lines. So, in this particular figure, figure number 1, figure number 2, figure number 3, there are different positions of the lines. So, if we calculate, then the total lines in these figures, including the diagonal, the vertical, the horizontals, everything, it is equal to 42. And out of these 42, by our interpretation, if we see, the sleeping lines will be 14. You can calculate it by marking on the diagram and these things. So, what will be the fraction of the sleeping line? It will become 14 by 42, which will come out to be 1 by 3. So, it means that our answer is equal to 1 by 3, that is option number A. Okay. Now, in question number 6, in question 6, Latika has 5 times as many green marbles as red marbles. Marbles, these are used for playing, okay? These are the ball-like things. So, she has 1230 marbles altogether. So, this is the total number. Now, if she removes 1/5 of the green marble, then how many green marbles are left with her? So, if we see the language of the question, we can say that Since Latika has 5 times as many green marble as the red, so green marble equal to 5 times the red marble, and total green plus red was equal to 1230. So if we replace G by 5 times R, we have 5R plus R equal to 1230, and so this becomes 6R equal to 1230. So what is the value of red? It will be 205, and 5 times of 205, that are the green, that is 1025. Now, how many of the green marbles were removed? It was 1/5 of the green. So 1/5 of the green means it will come out to be 205. So if out of 1025 green marble, 205 have been removed, then what will happen? We have to subtract both of them. So on subtracting, what will be our answer? It will come out to be 820. Okay. Now, question number 7. In question number 7, it is given find the total weight of Q and R. So here, if we see, there are some weight in 1, 2, 3 and 4 which is given to us. So in the first option, it is given PQR. And what is the arrow showing here? The arrow is showing 75. So that means P plus Q plus R is equal to 75. Similar way, QRS, PRS and QSP, all of them I have written here, they are equal to 90, 100 and 80. So if I add all these 4 equations, what will happen? On adding, I will get 3 times P plus 3 times Q, 3 times R, 3 times S. So we can take 3 as common. And this total 75 plus 90 plus 100 plus 80, it will account to 345. So from this, if we divide 345 by 3, we will get P plus Q plus R plus S equal to 115. So now, using this total equation of 115 and these individual equations, we can easily find the value of Q and R. So Q will come out to be 15, R will come out to be 35. And what was asked? Find the total weight of Q and R. So if we want to find total weight of Q and R, which is 15 plus 35, that is equal to 50. Okay. So this was our question number 7. Now, so option D is the correct answer. Now coming on to the question number 8, how many letters have perpendicular lines? So perpendicular means there should be one line like this, another line like this. So this particular angle, it should be 90 degree. So if we see in these L, Y, M, P, I, all these have perpendicular lines. So our correct answer should be 5 numbers. Okay. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So this was pretty much easier question. So coming on to the next question. Okay, question 9. Yeah. So in question 9, what it says? Find the difference between the greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number, which can be formed by using the digit 9, 8, 3 and 4. And here it is given that each digit must be used at least once. So at least once every digit has to be used. So if we try to formulate the maximum or the greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number, we can see that by using each digit once, it will be 99843 and the smallest 5-digit number is 33489. So if we subtract both of them, the difference will come out to be 966,354. Okay, good. So option A is the correct answer. Now, coming on to question number 10. Okay, so there are 82 trays of eggs with 312 eggs in each tray. So, one tray, 312 eggs, and total 82 trays. So, if 102 eggs were broken, so how many unbroken eggs were left in the tray? So, here we know if we multiply 82 by 312, what we will get? We will get the total number of eggs. And from the total, if we subtract the broken, then we will get the value of non-broken eggs, and which will be 24564. So our correct answer is here option number C. Okay. Okay, I hope everybody is enjoying. Okay, thank you. Okay, going to question number 11. In question number 11, we have been given figures which is made up of two rectangles. So, here you can see here it is one rectangle, here it is another rectangle. So, find the difference between their area. Now, since this particular rectangle have been divided into various blocks, so what we can do, we can calculate the number of rows of the block and the columns also. So multiplying the number of rows and number of columns, we can calculate the total number of boxes. And what is the dimension of one box? It is 3 by 3. So after calculating the total number of boxes, we can multiply it with 3 into 3. That is the value of one box. So let us see here. The bigger box, if we see, we will find that there are total of 8 number of columns and 12 number of rows. So this 8 into 12 when multiplied with their value, that is of the block 3 by 3, we get 864. Similarly, for the smaller rectangle, we have 8 number of columns, but the number of rows are only 6. So, what is the value of the smaller rectangle? It is 432. So, in the question, it was asked what is the difference. So, if the difference has been asked, that means 864 minus 432, which will be equal to 432 only. So, our correct answer is option number A. Clear? Now, coming on to question number 12. Okay, so I hope that each one of you is enjoying this particular lecture and you have to solve it by yourself after looking at all the solutions. Try to make a habit of solving all these things. Okay, so in question number 12, it says multiply the smallest 3-digit number formed by using 945 with each digit only once with 12. So we have to form a 3-digit number from 945, okay, and it should be the smallest, and we have to multiply it with 12. So the smallest 3-digit number which you can form is, yes, it is 459. So when 459 is multiplied with 12, it will give 5508. Okay, so this is your correct answer. Okay, so with this particular lecture, okay, we have just completed our part 1, and just to tell you, this was only the part 1. Part 2 and part 3, it follows this particular lecture. You can get the link in our channel and you can follow all those parts also. So this particular exam needs a very patience of the children and they have to enjoy while solving it. So if you have any doubts or anything, you can always contact with us, and we will be very helpful in telling you the answers and how to prepare for these exams. Okay? Thank you very much.